Right now, you're hitting the wall. You've done the work, you've followed the scripts, and you're looking at the numbers wondering if it's even worth it. This is the moment where 99% of people turn back. They think the silence means failure. But the silence is actually a test. It's the algorithm asking you one simple question. Do you actually want this, or were you just playing house? Today, we're talking about the silent wall and why hitting it is the best thing that ever happened to you. Success is a filtering process. If it were easy, the reward wouldn't be worth anything. The reason the ghost class is so small is because most people can't handle the period between starting and winning. They need constant applause to keep moving. But true wealth is built in the dark. It's built on those Tuesday nights when you're tired from work and those Saturday mornings when you'd rather sleep in. Your frustration isn't a signal to stop. It's the sound of your old self dying to make room for the person who can actually handle the millions. You aren't at video 51. You are halfway to video 100. The first 50 were for learning. The next 50 are for earning. Every rep you take now is higher quality than the last. You've already beaten the version of yourself that didn't start. Now, you just have to beat the version of yourself that wants to settle. The wall isn't there to keep you out. It's there to keep the uncommitted out. Stay on the path. Don't ask for it to be easier. Ask to be better. Subscribe to The Voice of Wealth. We don't quit. We just pivot. I'll see you in the next one.